Want to share your Messenger profile super fast with a QR code so people can scan and start chatting instantly? Facebook Messenger still was a personal QR code feature, great for adding contacts without typing username. The path can vary slightly by app version, but today I'll show you the current working steps on Android. Super quick, let's find your QR code. Open the Messenger app, tap your profile picture or the three lines menu icon in the bottom right corner. Look at the top of your screen for a QR code icon, small square with dots pattern. It's often right next to your name or in the header. Tap the QR code icon, your personal messenger QR code appears. You can now scan it with someone else's camera or phone. Share the code as an image, save it to your gallery, or tap share to send the link via other apps. When someone scans it, it opens a chat with you instantly. If you don't see the QR code icon directly on your profile, then tap the three horizontal lines again, tap settings, and look for QR code or my QR code, sometimes under account or profile section. Tap on it and your QR code loads. There you go. Your Messenger QR code found and ready to share. If this helped you connect faster, smash that like button and subscribe for more social media tips and tricks and fixes. Happy connecting.